Hi guys, in this tutorial I will show how to create an activity that goes beyond 24 hours guys. That is, if you start an activity say late at night or in the evening and want to continue beyond the midnight period. And one of the problem of creating activity is that any train after midnight, defined after midnight, does not appear. Any AI train, and even for the player train, the timetable stops working properly guys. That is, it shows the train is late even though if you arrived early. That is because guys, OpenRails uses a system where the day starts in the midnight and ends at just midnight. So any activity beyond midnight actually will be considered like it is in the beginning of the activity. So if you want the next day guys, midnight and the next day after the midnight, you have to edit the OpenRails activity file guys. So I'll just show you how to do that. So let us just create a new activity guys. So we have created just a new activity. We'll just open the setting and put a test activity here. You can do this in any route guys. I assume that you have so we'll give the start time as 23:55 guys. So 11:55 in the night, and you want it to continue beyond 11:55. Okay, just put a description. So we'll just save that guys. Now for the player service, we'll just define a service guys. So we'll just put a new service. So I'll just put can put any consist guys, any consist you want. So I'll just put this WP for ICF Express, and we'll put this so we'll just put this guys, we'll just define service like this. So the service is saved. Now as usual, you just put the player service here. For now I won't put the traffic guys, because the same principle applies for the traffic AI trains also. So you can open the timetable editor guys. So Mailadurai it leaves at 11:56 say guys. Then Vaidiswaran Kovil we want it at 12:20 say. So if you put calculate guys, it doesn't calculate, because you can see that it doesn't know how to put the next day. So I'll just put 12:20 guys. So don't worry about this guys, because this is showing the previous day, that is the same day 12:20, but I will show you how to modify this. Kadalur port, like let us say 1 AM. One 10 AM guys. So it's just a random thing guys. So I'm just putting the random timetable. It's not any real train. And then after Tirupati we'll put at so this is the timetable guys, we have set in the timetable. So now this activity should work guys, but the problem is when you run this activity, this player service train in the act file, this will not work properly guys, because this time is on the same day, that is after 11:55 it will wind back to the same day, so the timetable will not work properly. You want the next day to be showing. So I will just show you how to do that guys. I'll just show you how to do that. So go to the folder where the activity is stored guys. So this is the test act. I already went to that folder, and just double click that guys, and you will see the activity file. So you can say the player service definition, arrival time, departure time, all this is there. You can see this player service definition. This is the main player service definition. So you have all these timetable set. So distance zone, path, arrival time, departure time, arrival. See, so you can see for the next station arrival time is 1200 guys, which is not correct because this is in seconds measured from the beginning of the day, and for arrival time you can see this is now 1200, which is the same day. So for that what you have to do is add 86,400, which is 1 day seconds in seconds. So you can see 24 hours into 60 minutes into 60 seconds is 86,400 you have to add to this time guys. For each of the times mentioned in the timetable you have to add 86,400 for the beyond midnight. So first we will do 86,400 . So we will do 86,400 plus 1,200, 87,600. So we will just put the departure time also like that, 87,600. Same next for 2,700 also we have to do the same guys. $89,100. So you can put plus 1 minute, so 60 seconds. So you can put 89,160. So arrival time again 4,200, 86,400 plus 4,200, 90,600 guys. 90,660 because 1 minute. Again same 86,400 plus 4,680, 91,080 guys. And again 91,200. So again like that you have to do for all the AI trains also the similar manner guys, otherwise it will not work. $93,600. So this is how you have to edit the activity guys. So once you edit the activity you should not change anything in the timetable editor in OpenRails again, otherwise it will again go back to the original one. So make sure that you don't you do that at the final step guys. After setting all the timetable in the timetable editor, then go into the text file and edit as I told you guys. So once you do that activity will work properly, all the AI trains will work after the midnight, and even the player train will show the correct delay and correct timetable departure. Instead of just saying that passenger boarding completed, it will show the correct departure guys. I hope this video helped guys. If you have any other doubts and clarifications, please let me know in the comments. Please subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed the content guys. Thank you so much.